Have you ever felt your heart racing, your palms sweating, and your mind going blank when you're in a social situation? Or do you sometimes feel that knot in your stomach before attending a social event? Or sometimes seeing yourself pulling out or cancelling to avoid social situations because of fear? You are not alone. Social anxiety is a common issue that affects millions of people worldwide, including yours truly. Social anxiety is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by intense fear of being judged or scrutinized by others in a social situation. It can manifest through physical symptoms like trembling, blushing, and nausea, as well as psychological symptoms like negative thoughts and avoidant behavior. Left unchecked, social anxiety can significantly impact your personal and professional life, leading to missed opportunities and a diminished quality of life. But don't worry, I've got some practical tips from my personal experiences and proven expert advice to help you overcome this challenge and start enjoying social interactions once again. Tip number 1. Understand your triggers. Take some time to reflect on the situations or thoughts that tend to trigger your social anxiety. Is it large crowds, small talks, someone specifically, or performance situations? By identifying these triggers, you can start to develop strategies to manage them effectively. Tip number 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Social anxiety often stems from irrational beliefs about ourselves and how others perceive us. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, ask yourself, is this thought based on fact? Or is it just my anxiety talking? Replace negative thoughts with more realistic and positive ones. Tip number 3. Practice relaxation techniques. When you're feeling anxious, simple relaxation exercises can help calm your mind and body. Try deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, or visualization to help you feel more at ease in social situations. Tip number 4. Gradual exposure. Facing your fears head-on can be so intimidating, but gradual exposure can help to desensitize you to the situations that trigger your anxiety. So start by exposing yourself to mildly anxiety-provoking situations that gradually work your way up to more challenging ones. Tip number 5. Seek support. You don't have to tackle social anxiety all by yourself. Reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional for support and guidance. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. There you have it. 5 powerful, simple tips to help you beat social anxiety. One final pro tip. Just be patient with yourself, because overcoming social anxiety is a journey and it may not happen overnight. So remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how big or small, and never ever give up hope. So don't just stop at this video, check out this next one on how to stop feeling lonely. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay brave and keep shining.